Who likes Chase Pops? Kwikpanik likes Chase Pops. Is it true? I do. Oh! What's kicking, y'all? Kwikpanik here, and I'm back in gear. Don't you have no fear. Today's episode is Funko Pop flavored, and I have a heck ton of boxes to go through here. I have 2 boxes from Pop in a Box with the exclusive Agent Venom Funko Pop, and they got 3 pops each in them, and there's a Chase that's available that's Agent Anti-Venom, and I'm searching for that as a Marvel fan. So I have I have 2 other boxes that are like mail call things, and then I also have the Smuggler's Bounty Pod Racing box that I'm going to open. I haven't seen it yet. I actually haven't spoiled this one, so that's going to be nice. And then I have one more box of Agent Venoms. So let's go ahead. I'm going to open this up. I forgot to mark my name out, so I'm just going to, woo, yay, look, it's a box. And we're going to open this up. Hopefully this is constructed in a way that it will not spoil it by just peeking in the top. So we can do this. Okay. I'm going to get this free. What a heckin' container. Okay. Is this go on forever? All right. And I'm going to let you guys see first, just in case there is... Oh, well, I don't... Okay, they're upside down. Perfect. Upside down boxes. We'll pull these out one by one. That's how they popped them. That's how they packed them. So the first one. Okay, so let's look at this guy first. This is Agent Venom, and this is a very cool Funko Pop that they decided to do. For some reason, Pop in a Box gets a whole bunch of different Venom variants, and they got this one, which is Agent Venom. And there's actually a Chase Agent Anti-Venom. There's the back of the box. And that's what I'm trying to get today. So there's our first one from this box. Second one coming up. This box is like incredibly unwieldy. Is this the front? That's the back. So, nope, regular. We got 2 Agent Venoms so far. All right, striking out. But, like I said, we got 6 of these total. I'm hoping one of these is a Chase. All right, last one from the first box. We have another chance. 3 Agent Venoms in the first one. Holy heck. All right. Those are going to the side. Is this the first Chase game that we fail? I hope not. All right, next one. Got this box from somebody on Facebook. I'm just going to show you the box here. This is a pop that went up for sale, and I think that I'm a pretty decent pop hunter. I usually get the pops that I want. There are a couple one-offs. Like when Captain Cutler came out, the site crashed, and then by the time I got through the payment and everything, it was already out of stock. So I missed Captain Cutler, had to buy that on second market. This one was up for literally 1 minute on the website when it went live, so I missed it. But I was able to find something very cool. This is the same guy that sold me the Battle Damage Deku when I got into My Hero super late. But this is Flocked Bullseye. Bullseye is the ad icon that represents Target. He said it was in really good condition. He sent me some pictures, and I was like, yeah, it looks pretty good. I didn't have a chance to, scrutinize them. I just really wanted it, and it looks like he was not wrong. This is in great shape. All right, cool. So I finally added this to my ad icon collection, and he's going to sit next to Agent Venom up here. And we're going to the next one. The next one is from Funko Shop. We got some beautiful Funko Shop exclusive in here. There's another one coming next week. They had... what was that, last week before, they had 2 pops. They had a pop on Wednesday and a pop on Friday that I wanted. And I was like, well, you can just have all my money, Funko. You can have all of the money, and I won't even be sad about it, because they've been killing it with the exclusives for a while. The exclusives that were coming out were just straight up booty cheeks. Can't tell what's in this good. So I already know what this is, but this is one of the very rare exceptions to my collection. So normally I'm really heavy on Marvel, love me some anime, and then video game stuff and ad icons. So that's decently varied, but this is one of the ones that doesn't really fit with my collection. You can already see what it is here. This is from the pop line Myths, which they have not expounded on. And it's a rainbow Bigfoot. It makes me so happy. I don't know why. I just really love the mold that they use for Bigfoot. Looks like the box is in really good shape too. So I own all of the Bigfoots except for the green and blue flocked one that they did for, what was that? Not Emerald, was it Emerald City Comic Con? I think it was. So we got Rainbow Bigfoot. He's such a cool pop. And then the one that's coming next week from Funko Shop, I'm super excited for. Okay, this next one is from Smuggler's Bounty. If you guys don't know, Smuggler's Bounty is actually ending. So, Smuggler's Bounty, this is the second to last box that we'll get. The theme for this one is pod racing. Pod racing is from the Episode 1 movie, Phantom Menace. And Anakin was a pod racer, and that's how we get introduced to pod racing. So this is the second to last Smuggler's Bounty box. I'm kind of sad because they've had some really good ones, though they've also had some really poopy ones. So maybe I'll save a little bit of money. But I haven't seen this one. I'm really excited that we're getting into one. Usually these are spoiled for me, and I don't know if I've just been not as diligent on the Funko Pop Reddit. But why doesn't this come off? How do you? Do I need an adult? Does it require supervision? Oh, it's taped. Okie dokie. Let's just take my massive knife. There we go. Okay, I hope this is good. I'm hoping for Sebulba. He's like the antagonist at the beginning, like in the pod race. It's not like Darth Maul or anything, but he's kind of like the nasty guy that nobody likes. Let's see what we got in here. Okay. Oh, I see 2 pops. Coming soon, Star Wars. Oh no! Flip-flops! Pretend you didn't see that. I just spoiled it for myself. We have a pin. I miss when they did pins and shirts. Let me take this out so you don't have to glare. Stupid card telling me what I got in the box. I got Anakin as a pin, and this is him in the pod racer. We got this t-shirt. Hold on, let me close. You already saw it. Look at the pops. It's Sebulba. So excited. I don't know who Aura Singh is. What is this shirt? Bunta Eve Pod Race. Bunta Eve? Is that what it is? Okay, let's take these pops to the side. We're going to look at those in a little bit better clarity. But here's the t-shirt. Bunta Eve. Is that the pod race that they were participating in with the Hutts? Anyway, that's a pretty cool shirt. I love that it's light blue. Let's look at these pops, though. I don't know who Aura Singh is. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know who this is. So I can't even tell you anything about it. Is she, like... It looks like her gun is one of the... what are those guys called? Tusken Raider guns? I don't know who she is. Maybe I'll look it up. She doesn't look like... She's not a Jedi, definitely. But here is the one I actually wanted. Out of episode 1, this is one of the pops I really wanted a lot. And this is Sebulba. It's really, he has a really cool character design. I'd take him out, but that's a big mess. So Sebulba, he walks like on his hands and he drives with his feet or something. You can tell like with his mold, that's kind of like how he's set up. You know what? Screw it. I want to see him. Ooh. I normally worry about it because I'm super picky about the condition of my boxes, and I thought I couldn't get in there. Looks like we're good, though. Let's take this guy out. This. Oh, man, this makes me so happy. So they made Watto. They made C-3PO before he got, like, his plate cover and everything. There's Sebulba. Oh, yeah. That looks good. Oh. I was really expecting to get like a pop rides of Anakin in the pod racer. Now it would have been really sad. I really just wanted Sebulba, honestly. So that is super cool. It was really nice not being spoiled. I don't know if Funko just didn't post the spoiler this time or what that was about. But dang, we got Sebulba. And I don't know who Aura Singh is. Just full disclosure. Can we just get back in there, Sebulba? You know what? That's a deal for Kwikpanik later. All right, we have one more box for Agent Venom's, and I'm kind of nervous. I'm hoping that I didn't just buy 6 of these and I'm going to get 0 chases. So here's the box. How did we do this last time? Did I do it like this? So like one side you can totally see my address and everything. So let me open into this. I haven't seen a whole lot of luck on these. I wonder if there's some shady stuff going on. Keep it shady. Okay. Am I opening it upside down? Is that what the problem is? Okay, so we got 3 upside down again. And we'll start right here. with the first one. Try not to look. Oh, I just booped the camera. Oh my gosh. No! Guys, if I only get 6 antivenoms, I'm going to, or 6 agent venoms, I'm going to be very sad. Just be prepared for that. Backwards. Backwards. Oh, we have one more. Let's take this guy out before we go on to the next one. Well, I'm going to have an agent venom. That's for sure. Oh, let's see what he looks like. Agent Venom, how you doing? It's a really cool pop. It really is, honestly. So, I don't know what the deal is. He looks like some sort of Punisher Venom crossover to me. Obviously, that's not what the case is. But he looks cool. I mean, this is really good design. The black and white looks really nice. Oh, man. Okay. So, before we get into the last one, I really hope I'm not buzz killing you guys. So I do this thing where I say, okay, before I show off the last card, because I do a lot of Pokemon pack openings, I'll be like, leave a like on the video if you enjoyed this content, so do that. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay? Bringing Funko Pop, Pokemon, and Yu-Gi-Oh! Content to the channel. Uploading on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 4 p.m. Central Time, and Sundays at 12 p.m. Central Time. And I'm streaming on Twitch 4 days, 5 days out of the week. I don't know. So here's the last one. Appreciate all the support, guys. Let me know what kind of pop stuff you'd like to see on the channel in the future. We got it! Yes! We got the chase, thank goodness. Oh, I would have cried. Okay, so it was worth it to get 2 3-packs. Oh, thank goodness. And it looks like it's in good condition. Yeah! I gotta get this in a case stat. Appreciate y'all your support, guys. That is all I've got for today. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Later.